Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to scale in Freecad. So if you want to scale a body, you need to go to empty file and we need to create here a new body. So I click on this one option, I need to create a new sketch and I need to select here XY plane from available attachments. Then I click OK button and now I need to go to rectangle settings and I select here rectangle. Then I create here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. And I need to click close button to finish this task. Now I select here pad and I need to click OK button to finish the task. Then if I want to scale it, I need to change the mode from part design to draft. It is very important to select this one option because here you have this one option available. This option is scale. So now I click on the side of the body. Okay, and now we can click on scale. And here we need to enter a point, so I select this one option and I click on this side one more time. Now remember to check these two options, uniform scaling and create a clone. It is very important to check these options, and on X factor we need to type the value which we want to use. So for example, I type here 2 and here we can find the preview of this action. So now if I want to save this action, I need to click OK button to finish this task. And how you see, our object has been successfully scaled. So if I want to transform it, I need to click right mouse button here and I need to select here transform. Then I will be able to change position of this object, yeah? So how you see, it has been successfully scaled. Of course, we need to click OK button to finish this task. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.